Hi, thank you so much for purchasing my client tracker. This is the video on how to use it. So here you've got the total number of clients that you have. This will change automatically as you add them in onto your clients tab. This is your today's date. These are your important list of things to do, so you can make notes and change this as needed. This is your items per priority status. So you have one item in low, two in medium, and three in high priority. This is the percent of clients that you've found per source. So email, phone, networking, or website or ads. And this is the quantity of clients that you have per status. On this page, this is your actual client tracker. So this will show you the number of clients that you have. And then your contact name, so you can put the name, the business name, the phone number, email address, the date of first contact. So this is a box that you can actually click in and choose, and the last time that you contacted them, high priority, low or medium, what source you found them from, and the status. If you haven't contacted them, contacted, awaiting response, set up your meeting, needs follow-up, won, or lost. If you have a to-do, then this is over here, and then you could be, follow-up. So that is how it works. As you add more clients here, it will update your dashboard and give you more clients. So that's how it works. If you have any questions,